In this video, we will explore the FIS Downstream PON power meter and how it's expertly designed for the FTTX technicians. They can start testing the output power of the optical line terminal, or OLT, when it leaves the central office. At the optical network terminal, or ONT, at the house or anywhere in between, reading the downstream signals to verify incoming signal power before reaching the home. Our standard configuration includes the ability to read 3 different wavelengths simultaneously. 1 gig GPON at 1490 nanometers, RF video at 1550 nanometers, and downstream XGS PON at 1577 nanometers. The unit can test both GPON and XGPON signals overlaid on the same fiber all at once. In the rugged FIS PON power meter, a visual fault locator is built in, and it offers a 40+ hour battery life. Simply turn on the unit. The technician selects Settings to set pass-fail thresholds based on the location, OLT or ONT. Here, the technician simply sets their dBm pass-fail range of each wavelength by selecting the specific min and max dBm values. And when the technician is done, they can save the changes and select their testing location. Now, simply plug in the downstream signal and view the readings. And that's how to operate the FIS Downstream PON power meter. To purchase the FIS Downstream PON power meter, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-5000-FIS.